Hi.
And Ruthie, you just got done with my healthy posture class.
Yes, I did.
How you feeling?
Much better. I had really bad pain yesterday, but I worked through it, and then today I said I have to go back because I know it helps me, and then now I don't have any pain at all.
Wow, that's excellent.
Yes.
Now you've had a couple of knee replacements, is that right? Two.
Total knee replacements.
And anything else has been done to your body, or have you had any other operations?
No, I haven't.
Okay, got it. So how are your knees doing now?
They're good. I couldn't bend them.
Right.
When I first came to class, I was in really bad pain. I started in a chair.
Yes.
And now I can get down on the floor. I can do what everybody else does. It's just so amazing.
It looks to me like you've lost some weight.
I have lost 15 pounds.
That you are looking fabulous.
I can fit into my t-shirt.
It looks very good. What would you say about the breathing?
Well, when I ever get under stress and I'm worried about something, I do go.
Okay. Does it help you?
Yes, it does.
Good.
And it really makes me feel much better.
Okay.
I'm oxygenating my blood.
Yes.
So.
Is there anything else that you would say that the class has helped you with?
Probably self-esteem.
Okay.
My self-esteem.
Excellent.
Yeah,
Very good.
because I've lost a lot of my visceral fat.
Yes.
So that's what's really good.
It does make you feel good, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. You have a great day.
You're blessed.
Thank you.